Hey guys, this is going to be a short class that is going to help alleviate pain in the lower back. So let's get started. So close your eyes and focus on your breath. And what I want you to do is I want you to focus on the tension in your lower back and give it a number. From 1 to 10, 1 being really mild, and then 10 means that the tension is really strong. And we're going to compare that number at the end of the class. Take a deep inhale and a gentle exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes. If this position feels too uncomfortable, you can place a yoga block under your bum, or you can place 2 pillows under your knees. So slowly we're going to start twisting to the left. So right arm is going to be on the left knee, and then left arm is going to be behind your back. And then if you can, twist all the way so you can look over your shoulder, but if this is too painful, then back off a little bit. Inhale and exhale. Try to release any tension, any stress. And then we're gonna shift to the other side. So slowly, we're going to turn to the right. And then try to release any tension, release any thoughts. Again, let's twist slowly to the left. And then to the right. Last time, to the left. And then let's twist to the right. Now let's come to center. Then take a deep inhale, bring the arms up, interlace the fingers, lift the chest, look up a little bit. Try to look up in a 45-degree angle. And then exhale, release the hands, and then again, inhale, interlace the fingers. And then exhale. Last time. Inhale, lift the chest, and then exhale. Let's come to all fours. Wrist below the shoulders and knees under the hip. And then spine is straight. And from here, we're gonna take an inhale. And as you inhale, lift the chest and look up. Then exhale, round the spine and tuck the chin. Again, inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Last time. Make sure you're feeling comfortable, like try not to push too hard. Remember that if you're already feeling pain, then you're not supposed to feel any more pain. If you feel pain in these poses, then that means you have to back off a little bit. So now bellies are going all the way to the mat, our bellies. We're going to come all the way down. And then from here, we're gonna lift one arm at a time. So lift the right arm, including the head and the chest, and then bring it down. Slowly bring the left up, the left arm, and then exhale. Inhale again. Just make sure you're doing it slowly. Left arm, and then release. Last time. Right arm, bring it down. Left arm, bring it down. We're gonna do the same with the legs. Lift the right leg up, and then down. Now the left, up and down. Again, you're not supposed to feel any pain. And then try to lift the legs the same height. And then exhale. Last time, inhale. And then exhale. Left leg. And then exhale. So let's come into Sphinx position. So arms almost in a 90-degree angle, almost. The elbow is supposed to be a little bit ahead of the shoulder. And then try not to do this with the shoulders. Try to push the shoulders down, lift the chest, and then neck is nice and long, and then we just look straight. From here, put pressure on your palms and then lift the elbows a little bit, and then shift to your right, and then look over your right shoulder. Calm down as you exhale, and then as you inhale, twist to the other side. And then exhale, twist to the right as you inhale. Exhale, come to center. Inhale, twist to the left. Last time, exhale. Then inhale, twist to the right. Look over the right shoulder. Again, try not to put too much pressure, meaning if you feel pain, then back off a little bit. And then release. Place your hands beside your chest, and then lift the upper body all the way so we can come to in child's pose. In child's pose, you can keep your hands forward, or you can actually place your hands by your side. Take deep inhales and deep exhales. Relax the back, the muscles of your lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulders, arms, your neck, your head, your face. I hope this class helped you in any way. If you have any feedback or any requests, let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and follow for more yoga videos. Namaste.